Yeah, my name is Paul Diclue, and I'm a volunteer at the home. You know, I help with the farm, as I own a farm as well, and so on. And when I heard that JAHJAH Foundation was helping to really build this health facility, this sick bay, I mean, I look with one eye. It never happens when people promises things here all the time, you know, or it half happens, then it stops, and so on and so on. But when I came and saw the project being, moving, and the wall being built, the column putting in, and stuff like that, I mean, this was really an inspiration. You know, in a home like this, where you can have communicable diseases, you know, that one person can catch a flu from that, and it's a really expensive thing, you know, for a home without a good budget to really get these children in line. So it's best to quarantine them in a safe, friendly area on the campus that they love, and help them to recoup. You know, I mean, I'm humbled by this fast-going project. You know, here it's starting, and you look and it starts, and you look and it's ongoing, and then I know the next thing I look and it's finished. You know, I don't know, but that's just my opinion about it. So I'm really glad that somebody has gotten wind of this and just put it to fruition. You understand? Like I said before, you know, these children are so happy. They're so happy they don't even realize that they are poor. They don't even realize that they are orphans in this little happy home. You know what I mean? I myself knew about this from I was 12 years old, grew up with children here. Even though I had my home, I came over and played and went back and so on. So I'm really connected to here, you know what I mean, to this place. And I'm really glad to see, you know, this one project clicks off. And I'm really looking forward to the opening of this. Not for the sick, but from the happy. And I want to thank also Neil Curtis from Farm Up Jamaica about his wonderful plan to, you know, do organic farming on maybe 3 acres of this 23 acres. But 3 acres of organic farming will do wonders to this place. You know, the repair of the pig pen, the establishment of the biogas area, so that you can get methane gas to supplement the regular gas and so on. And, you know, and it helps the children to be au fait with technology as well. You understand? So I really want to thank him for that. And all he's looking to, there are repairs to be done in the chicken coop, there are repairs to be done in the top of the pig house, rendering floors and so on. You know, and I can't express it more. You know, I really say kudos to that guy.
How will his project help the children here at the home?
Well, not only to be self-sufficient, but in a healthy manner be self-sufficient, right? Because organic farming is the thing of the future. And if these children know from now how to do or operate an organic farm, and they go out there, they'll be the ones in demand for healthy food and healthy living.
So in other words, it's quite ironic. These children who are often without a home, yes, and what society would not think about, they will, yes, become, as the Bible says, the stone that the builder refused will be the head cornerstone.
Oh yes, yes, definitely. They'll be the front runners in the organic stuff. Because these children are willing to learn. They learn everything here. Just like children learn bad, they swallow up good too.
Thank you, Mr. Paul Diclue. On behalf of the JAHJAH Foundation, I want to thank you for your time. I want to thank you for your kind words.
Yeah,
all right, thank you.